Running stitch is our most basic embroidery stitch. It is a series of straight stitches spaced a consistent distance apart. We'll start by coming up through the fabric, then back down to complete our first straight stitch. Moving forward, we'll come up through our fabric again, but this time we come up a short distance from the previous stitch, then back down to complete a second straight stitch. Repeat the series of evenly spaced straight stitches until you've completed your liner curve. Find more embroidery resources at rosannadigs.com.